So I'm recording it, Ananya. So if Amulya is well, ask me the recording. I'll send to her.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share my screen, student. Yes. So first of all, tell me, Ananya, did we discuss this set? Did we discuss this set? You see.
We did, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So this set we have completed, student. This is sample paper set. Okay, TEG business C public examination physics science model paper 2026. That is fine. But you see, this set is where what I have seen. I have just downloaded it. 10th class physical science model paper. It is also given the same website. This is what I have seen. Most of the questions are not from the 85% syllabus. They are from the 15% syllabus, which is out of CBSE syllabus. Okay. So you all are, so you know you I am teaching CBSE, so I concentrated more on that 85% syllabus. Okay. But let us do as you require it. Let us do, student. Okay. So let us start with the MCQs first. Okay. Let us start with the MCQs first. Okay. First question on the screen. The formula used for the magnification. So 1 second. Yes. The formula used for the magnification. So you see, we have two formulas for magnification. So what are two formulas, and give the right option? Formula, and he's speaking about the lens. Huh? He's speaking about the lens. Okay. Tanvi gave some option. Yes, Ananya, right answer. Sanvi, lens beta. Lens, this is speaking out. So in lens, what is the formula for focus? 1 by V plus. Okay, so what did I ask, student? 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is for mirror, right? This is for lens or mirror? This is for lens. This is for lens. But what is the magnification? Magnification equal to V by U for lens. So these two formulas are for lens beta. So here magnification equal to V by U. This one is the right answer. And also magnification general formula HI by H naught. Always HI by H naught for lens also, mirrors also. So this is the right formula. So 1 and 3 are right. And he's asking the formula used for the magnification of lens 1 and 3 are right. Option D is the right answer, beta. Okay, so you have given option B. I am sure you know this, but this formula is for mirror. Sorry. You said 2 is right, right? This is for mirror. But you see, he's asked the lens. Understood, Sanvi? Sanvi understood? M equal to minus V by E, mirror. M equal to V by U, lens. M equal to Hi by H naught, lens and mirror. Both are same. This is only mirror. This is neither mirror nor lens. So for lens, these two are a match. Okay? Okay, Sunny, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question on the screen. Which of the following is the wrong set of quantum number? Yeah, you see, this is not there in CBSE, but we have discussed. We have discussed in full length. But try to give the answer. Wrong set of quantum numbers. So student, there are four quantum numbers: n principal quantum number, l azimuthal quantum number, m magnetic quantum number, s spin quantum number. Now which of the following is wrong set of the quantum number, student? You see, first of all, he has given all as 3 only. You see, this is, yeah, this n value is 3 for all. So this you can finalize. Okay, so he is speaking about all the values of principal quantum number 3. I've just fixed 3 is for all. Now, if this is 3, what all values are possible for this? What all values are possible for this? Okay, Ananya gave some answer. Super, super, Ananya. Wonderful student. Come on, Sanvi. So this is a chapter from periodic classification, I guess, or the atomic structure, I guess. Or atomic structure. Yes, give some answers, Sanvi. Oh, very good. Right answer. Right answer. Yes, Ananya. Why three is the wrong set, beta? Why this is a wrong set?
Sir, if L equals to 1, then only possible values are -1, 0, and +1. 2 exceeds. The
Pardon. You see, n value is 3. That we have fixed. Now, taking this reference, explain all the three I'm saying. N value is 3. What will be the azimuthal quantum number? What will be the values of azimuthal quantum?
lesser than 3, sir.
Yes, very good. 0 to n minus 1 beta. But n is 3, n minus 1 is 0 to 2. So the values that are possible are 0, 1, 2. So n3, L value 1, right answer. N3, L value 2, right answer. N3, L value 1, right answer. N3, L value 2, right answer. You see, till now I am able to see all are right answers. Till here, okay? That's right. Yeah, Sanvi, now you see what is magnetic quantum number? What is magnetic quantum number? What is magnetic quantum number, beta? Yes, Ananya. Now you see, with n value 3, I am able to see all are right, beta. Now I need to start filtering with the magnetic quantum number m. Yes, Ananya. What is the value of m? Ananya, can you hear me? I'm able to see your screen got freezed. Hello. Sanvi, what is magnetic quantum number? Magnetic quantum number is nothing but minus L to L. Minus L to L. The formula is minus L to L. What does that mean, student? If he is taking L equal to 1, the value can be minus 1, 0, 1. You see, magnetic quantum number 0. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. If minus L to plus L, right? If L equal to 2, if L equal to 2, minus 2 to plus 2, what did he take? 1. 1 is lying between minus 2 to plus 2. Absolutely B is also right answer. Absolutely B is also right answer. Now C let us take. You see magnetic quantum L value is 1 beta. So what will be magnetic quantum number? Minus 1 to plus 1. That means minus 1, 0, plus 1. But what did he give here? He gave 2. So is the 2 value possible? Not at all possible. Understood, Sanvi? Okay. So there are four quantum numbers. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. N value, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4. L value 0 to n minus 1. M value minus L to plus L. Spin quantum number can be plus minus half, plus half, minus half. If it is rotating in clockwise, plus half. It is rotating in anti-clockwise, minus half. Okay. So these are the particular atomic structure. The electrons are spinning in which orbital, which orbit. Those all are given by these 3, 4 quantum numbers. So she got disconnected. Let us wait. Tanvi, అయిపోయిందా ప్రిపరేషన్?
4 chapters అయిపోయినాయి బాబాయ్.
ఏ చాప్టర్? ఏ చాప్టర్?
4 chapters అయిపోయినాయి. ఇంకా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అయిపోయింది.
ఏది ఫిజిక్సా కెమిస్ట్రీయా? 4 చాప్టర్స్ అని.
ఫిజిక్స్.
మరి కెమిస్ట్రీ ఎట్లా? రేపా?
ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ రేపు.
ఈ టాపిక్ చదివినవా లేదా నువ్వు?
అది చదవలే.
చదవలే. So this is not covered for CBSE. They don't have it. But for SSC, I have discussed this topic for whole one session. That's the reason she gave the right answer. Where is she? She got disconnected. I'll just message her. No, we got disconnected. Okay, 2 minutes. Huh? Try the third question and give me the answer till that time. Yeah, are you there? Nanya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Question number 3. Low reactive matter. So you just need to remember that reactivity series. So you gave the answers? Okay, very good. Tanvi gave. Yes, right answer. Okay, obviously, aurum is nothing but gold. Gold is a very least reactive. That is the reason we all preserve gold. That will not react with oxygen. That will not react with the nature. That will not react with when we wear it. It will not react with our skin. It doesn't react with anything. That's the reason we all save it. Okay, gold is the right answer. Question number 4. Balancing, student, is just a balancing. PQRS, you just need to balance and give the answer. Just balancing. PQRS, the values is asking. Use your pen and paper, you will find the answers very easily. You have two options. Either you can just equate the things and find PQRS value, or you can use the multiple choice to match. Both options are valid. So, okay, very good. Let me see whether it's the right answer or not. Mhm. Okay, very good. Mhm. 10, 20, 20, 12. Yes, absolutely right answer. Come on, Sanvi, come on. R plus hydrogen. Let us keep the hydrogen. So R hydrogen 8p equal to 2s or 4p equal to yes. Yes. Okay, so let me see what Sanvi gives the answer. Very good, Sanvi. Wonderful. Okay. So students, that's up to you. You can either do calculate it or you can just match it. You see, I have started calculating. How did I do? I know whether you, I think your method is very better than me. But what did I do? I just calculated, you see, P3 into carbon. I'm just taking carbon left hand side, right hand side. I'm taking. On left hand side, carbon is P into 3. 3p, there is no more carbon. Right hand side, it's 1 here, nothing is there. R into 1 R. So whenever p value, 3 times p value will be R. You see it is PQRS, right? PQRS value. Okay. Or else I'll write it down. P, Q, R and S value. 3 times P equal to R. 3 twos are 6 it should be, but it's given the P value is 2. If I am taking P value is 2, R value will be what? R value should be 6. So I'm able to see either B is right or C is right. Whenever I'm taking P equal to 2, I'm getting R equal to 6. So now I got the options. It may be from either B or C. Okay. Then what did I do? I have just taken hydrogen next. Hydrogen next I have taken. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Left hand side, 8 into P, 8P. Right hand side, 2 into S, 2S. So I can just common and cancel. So this will be 2 times, if I divide by 2, 4p. If I divide it by 2, only 2 ones are 2s. 4p equal to s. So p I have taken 2. If I take 2, p value 2, 4 to the 8. S value should be 8. Absolutely. This is the right answer. So again we have two options. Again we have two options. Oh, very good question now. Okay, so now you can just go with the Q. You can just go with the Q. You have P, R, yes, you can just substitute value and you will get the Q value. I think B is the right answer. Okay, B is the right answer. Yes, question number 5. A solution changes red litmus paper into blue. Then the pH value of the solution is. Very good, Sanvi. Right answer. Come on, Ananya. Very good, right answer. Okay. So, student, red litmus paper to blue, means that should be base. That should be base. And what is base? Whoever pH value is more than 7, that is base. I am able to see option C should be the right answer. You gave the option C only, right? Yes. Okay, more than 7, that should be base. So, C is the right answer. Next question on the screen. Question number 6. So look at it. Is this a, so first of all you need to check whether it is a mirror or lens. If mirror, concave or convex mirror. If lens, concave and convex mirror lens. So try to analyze in that way. So you are able to clearly see the other side it is painted. So it is obviously mirror and I am able to see light is coming on the cave side. So it is a concave mirror, beta, concave mirror. Assume it is a concave mirror. This is how you need to zero down. Assume it is a concave mirror. In concave mirror, what all happens? Yeah. Let me see the answers now. Very good, Sanvi. Okay, Ananya gave some different answer. Okay, so Ananya, which case is this?
Sir, I'm changing my answer, sir.
You want to change? Change it. Very good. Right answer. Okay. So this is case number 4. Okay. So once first case is object at infinity. 1 second, student. Yeah, first case is object at infinity. Image is at focus. Second case, object is just beyond C. Your image will be where? Between F and C. Inverted. Small. Okay. And third case, when your object is exactly a center of curvature, your image will be exactly a center of curvature, equal size and inverted. Now you see, now where is your object? Your object is nothing but between C and F, it is here. So your image will be beyond C, something like this. And now it will be what? It will be magnified. It will be still erect, it will be magnified. So option A is the right answer, student. Option A is the right answer. Tanvi, you know all the cases, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Right answer, beta. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. If water is removed after heating copper sulfate crystal, then its color is. I think this we have discussed, Ananya. Good. Oh, very good, very good. Wonderful. Right answer, student. Okay. So magnesium sulfate, where is this? The copper sulfate is blue in color. If you heat it, the vapor will go out. So we have we what did we discuss, student? Copper sulfate dot 7H2O. I don't remember this number. If you heat it, this everything will be vanished. You will be having only CuA copper sulfate. This is anhydrous copper sulfate. And initially, if you tell there is water molecule, it is blue color. Now, if you remove it, this will be only white color. Right answer. Question number 8. Question number 8. One of the following is used to get relief from indigestion. Indigestion, beta. Indigestion is something related to acidity. Acidity. Very good. Right answer, Ananya. Come on. Tanvi, my beautiful girl. Give the answer, bachi. Tanvi. No, no, no. So, Tanvi, I'm able to see your physics is somewhat right. But chemistry, you need to work hard tomorrow. Okay? You need to work hard. You see, student, first of all, indigestion. So, what did I say? Indigestion is acidity. To make this to neutralize this acid, what will you add, Tanvi? What will you add to, if at all in your body acid is produced more, to counter effect that acid, what will you add?
Base.
Base. Okay, base. So what is this reaction? This reaction is neutralization reaction. So indigestion means in your body acid is more, you need to add base now. So whoever has OH, that is base. So you have an option either NaOH or MgOH2 or OH2. Okay, so option answer is from C and E. Yes, Ananya. So why are you not taking D but you are taking C? Why like that? Both are bases only. Why not NaOH? Why only MgOH? And your answer is right. This is milk of magnesia. We take when we go to the particularly the medical store, whatever he is giving for indigestion, you see that components, ingredients, whatever you call it, it will be milk of magnesia, which is another magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. But why not sodium hydroxide, Ananya? It is also base. OH is there. It is also base. Why didn't you give this answer? Come on, Ananya. Come on, come on.
Sir, is it because it's an antacid?
It is an
Antacid.
both are anti-acid. You see, if acid is more, you are adding base means this base is anti-acid. Anti-acid. Base is nothing but anti-acid. So this is also base, this is also base. Both are antacids only. But why are you not taking this antacid? Why are you taking this antacid? That's the question. Okay, why? Because sodium hydroxide is a strong base beta. Its pH value is around 13 to 14. No, this much strong base will again create many issues in your body. They are highly corrosive in nature. But magnesium hydroxide, I think its pH value is 8 to 9. So it's good. Okay, so it will not affect your body a lot. It only counteracts on the extra acid, but not the other things. But this NaOH, it will definitely counter your acid part, but again it will create some more issues. That's the reason we will not, even though it is base, we will not consume it. It's a base, we'll consume this one. Okay, 10.5 pH. Yeah, 10.5 pH, I guess. Okay, so that's right. Okay, so if at all in this question is given, so don't write the pH value. You just say sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So due to its high corrosiveness, we can't consume it, even though it's a base. But magnesium hydroxide of milk of magnesia is weak base. So we can eat our weak bases. You see, we always consume weak acids, weak base. Citric acid, weak acid. Okay, lemon juice, whatever we are drinking, that is acid, but it's a weak acid. Okay, lactic acid, curd we are eating, that's a weak acid. Our body can restrain it. Okay, but if you can you drink hydrochloric acid, which is very strong acid. Okay, okay, so that's not possible. Okay, right. Next, ninth question. To correct hypermetropia eye defect, we use which type of lens do you want to use when you want to correct hypermetropia? Very good. Sanvi and Ananya. Right answer. Hypometropia. That means you can't see the objects which are very near. Okay. So it is something like far-sightedness. I can see the long distance objects, far-sightedness. But once you can't see the low objects which are very near, that is hypermetropia. How can you correct it? Now your image is forming. This is your lens. This is the retina. Your image is forming where beta? Your image is forming behind the retina. Behind the retina. That means its converging power is less. So what you need to do? You need to add some extra lens. Again, that should converge. Now, if extra lens is added, whatever the rays are coming, that will again converge here also, and now it will be exactly converging on your retina. Okay. So your eye, so hypermetropia, your eye lens has less converging power. You need to add extra convex lens to add more converging power. So convex lens is the right answer. Last question, in the experiment of finding refractive index of a prism, the minimum deviation will be observed in the following case. Yeah, you see this question also we did not discuss. So in this particular bit, which questions I did not discuss in class 10 CBSE? This question, one, two. Yes, these two questions I did not discuss in CBSE. In the experiment of finding refractive index of the prism, the minimum deviation will be observed in the following case. We have discussed what is prism and all that, but we did not discuss exactly this much deeply. Come on, students, let me see how much you know the answer. Yeah, so you finished, Sanvi, you finished your physics, right? So try to give the answer. The experiment of finding the refractive index of the prism, the minimum deviation will observe in the following case. Okay, Ananya give some answer. Come on, Sanvi. Beautiful girl. In the experiment of finding the refractive index of the prism, the minimum deviation will be up. The minimum deviation will be minimum, student. Okay. So till that time, let me open my PDFs actually. Where did I discuss? So I have discussed in CBSE, but only a little content in physics. Human and colorful world. What is the topic, student? The topic is something like dispersion of light, I guess. 1 second, please pardon me for I'm taking some time to open them because I did not do revision for this particular topic to CBSE. So I don't know exactly where is the topic. One second, student. Colorful not acceptable. Bright MCQ, passing of light. Ah, yes, I got it. Yeah, so I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, so student, he's speaking about this particular concept where we have discussed in CBSE, but not in revision actually. So what's the question? Again, read the question. Read the question. Where is the question? Question. Yeah. In the experiment finding the refractive index of the prism, the minimum deviation will be observed in the following case. So you see what is he speaking I1, I2, but what is I1 and I2? What is I1 and I2 student? Yeah. You see there is some angle of incidence over here. Incident ray. Okay. Yes. Yeah, you see student, if this is particularly incident ray, you need to draw the normal first of all. So where is that normal? Didn't I draw it? No, I think I have not explained it, student. Okay. So he's speaking about the angle of incidence and angle of refraction here, student. You see this angle and this angle, I guess. So this is what he's speaking. So let me have the clarity on this particular topic. Okay. I did not just recollect this particular topic from so many days. I'll just see that. I'll try to explain. But I see the answer is right. What Ananya gave the answer is right, I guess. The answer should be I1 equal to I2 for minimum deviation. I'll check it. I'll check it. Okay, next question on the screen. So we have finished these many questions. Yeah. Write any two uses of plaster of Paris. Yeah, go ahead, student. Try to give uses of plaster of Paris. You know what is plaster of Paris? We have discussed in chemistry. Plaster of Paris. And what is that particular chapter? It's a salt. Acids, bases, and salts. In the subtopic of salts, we have discussed special salts. Special salt. Special salts we have discussed. Something like bleaching powder, plaster of Paris. Okay, we have discussed some of the salts. Give to just give in the simple language. I don't want all those big language. Plaster of Paris, where it is used, simple language. Yes, absolutely right answer, Ananya. Right answer. Okay. So first of all, it is used in the for bone setting. Bone setting. Okay. Bone setting. We use plaster of Paris. And another use, if you ask me, so it is used in the particularly clays. Okay, to make a cheap ornaments. So what is making molds? Right answer. Okay. So cheap dolls and cheap jewelry, we are using plaster of Paris. Okay. Cheap dolls. Okay, so these are the two usages you can write. Good. Yes, what would happen if fuse is used? If fuse is made with a material of high melting point, Student, again he is connecting that particularly electricity. Electricity. What is fuse used for? What is fuse used for? You see, you are connecting 230 volts at your home to that plug. You are connecting a TV. You are connecting a TV. Suppose 230 volts and only 2 amperes is required for the TV to function. Only 2 amperes of current is required. 230 volts, 2 amperes of current is required for your TV to work a lot, work normally. By chance, if there is a 5 amperes current, if there is a 5 amperes current, then your TV will blow away. TV will blow away. For that, what you need to do? Sir, TV is very much costly. How can we afford that? For that, what you need to do? You need to connect. You need to connect. What do you need to connect, sir? A small. What is this? So I will not use this way. Yeah, I'll use this way. What is this? It's nothing but a fuse. You need to connect this fuse. Now he is saying if this fuse is made up of high melting point, what will happen? If fuse is made up of high melting point, what will happen? Did you all understand, student? For every electrical equipment, you will have fuse. Either you take the iron box, TV, okay, so something refrigerator, your AC, everything will have your fuse like this, like this. Why? Because your TV is designed for only 2 amperes of current, only 2 amperes of current. Suppose 5 amperes is coming, your TV will blow away. Okay, your TV will, sometimes it may catch fire also. For that, they always give the particular fuse, and fuse is in series. You see, series. Now, what should be the property of the series? Yeah, so amount of current passed through it, resting in short circuit or electric fires, risk overheating or damage of. Yes, Tanvi, can you guess? Do you know the answer? Okay, so first of all, student, you need to know why this particular wire is helping our TV. Why? Because in spite of 2 amperes, if 5 ampere current is going, more current means more heat. You know the formula, heat equal to I square RT. What is this formula? Joule's law. Sir, if current is more, the heat will be more. So in spite of 2 amperes, if 5 ampere current is coming, the same current is going on fuse. So this fuse will blow, this fuse will get heated up. Fuse wire means low melting point and high resistance so that it melts quickly. Very good. Right answer, Mananya. This is absolutely right answer. That means in spite of 2 amperes, if 5 amperes is going, this fuse will first get heated up. Your TV will also get heated up. Your fuse will get heated up. But in this both, who should be broken? Obviously, this should be of low melting point beta. With little melting point only, this should fuse away. This should blow away. So such that if at all it blows away, what will happen? The circuit is broken. The circuit is broken means this 5 amperes will not reach your TV. Your TV will be switched off. Okay. So soon you switched on the TV. If at all in spite of 2 amperes, 5 ampere is coming. So 5 amperes is initially going for TV also, your fuse also. But your fuse should be made up of low melting point. If it is made up of low melting point only, this will burn and it will be open circuit, and this 5 amperes will not reach your TV. Now your TV is safe. Okay, so but what is he asking? He's asking it is made up of high melting material. So student, if it is made up of high melting material like this, high melting material, it will not blow away. So even though when 5 ampere current is coming, 5 ampere current will happily go through this fuse also, go through this TV also. Now you see your TV will get fired away. Your TV will get blown away. Okay. So what is the property of fuse? For the property of fuse, you need to say it should be made up of low melting point, very low melting point. Okay, it should be made up of very low melting point, student. Okay, and yeah, so Ananya, you said high resistance. Is it high resistance or small resistance? You said one property is right, sir. The fuse property should be low melting point, but he is giving high melting point. What about the resistance, Ananya? Is it high resistance or low resistance? I think that should be low resistance, beta. It should not be high resistance. The resistance of wire should be low. Okay, so you understood, right? Very good. List out the material you require to finding refractive index of prism. Yeah, students, this one is out of CBSE. Out of CBSE. So give me two materials. Whatever you know, give me two materials. He's asking list out the materials required to find the refractive index of a prism. Refractive index of a prism, he's asking. So let me open. You just try to give the two important materials required for this experiment. Refractive index of a prism. By that time, I'll share what I discussed in CBSE. Okay. Science, physics. Which one? Light reflection, refraction only, I guess. Not light reflection, refraction, right? Yeah, light reflection. Refraction. Snell's law, numericals on Snell's law. Come on, students. So give me two materials but that are required to find the refractive index of a prism. Refractive index of a prism. What are the two materials? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, you see, we have discussed rectangular glass slab. It is again, it's a rectangular prism. Okay, it's a rectangular prism. Glass prism, protractor, very good, right answer. Very good, right answer. Come on, Sanvi, any two things? You see, when you have read this in your NCRT or your SS TGSSC textbook, he's taking a paper first. On the paper, he's keeping this glass slab. Is giving. So first of all, you need to have a paper. So you see, he's drawing some lines, pencil. You see, he's measuring some angles, protractor. Okay. Okay, so these all are required. Okay, if you ask me, sir, what is the final answer? So what will I give you is, yeah, this one, beta. First of all, he should send light through the glass prism. Light is required, and glass prism is required for the experiment. And he need to measure how much is the different, how much is the deviation. You see how much is the displacement. This one he need to measure. So obviously he needs some measuring scale, and he need to that paper whatever I said he need to pin it so that the paper is not at all disturbed. Paper pins and the paper itself, white paper, pencil to draw that lines, protractor for angles, and the drawing board where this entire setup is arranged. Entire setup is arranged. These many things is required. Anyhow, three or four are more than enough as it is only 2 marks. As it is only 2 marks, 3 and 4 points are more than enough. Okay, so Sanvi, so you see, student, this is what I have discussed in CBSE. What did I discuss? First of all, to find the lateral displacement, you need to take a wooden board. You see, this green color is the wooden board. On that wooden board, keep the paper, which is black color. On that paper, keep the glass slab. So what all are required? Wooden board, white paper, glass slab. Now you see, you need to send some light. So light is required, fourth point. And this paper should not be disturbed. You need some pins to plug it. You need some pins to plug it. Okay. So these all, what all are required is this beta. White light source, glass prism, measuring scale, paper pins, white paper, pencil, protractor. Why protractor, sir? Protractor, you see some angle. You need to measure angles. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yes. Fourth question we'll do. Fourth and fifth question we'll do. Yeah, this section at least we'll do. Observe the tabular data given below. Answer the questions. Answer the questions. Yeah, so that's an easy question, student. How many marks is this question? First of all, let me see. 4 marks. Student, 4 mark questions. It's something like Laddu type question. Okay. 4 mark question. By looking only, we can give the answers. You will not have such type of questions in CBSE class 7th also. They will not give such easy questions in even the class 7. Observe the tubular data. You see here he has given ore name, galena, gypsum, magnetite, magnesite, and he is giving chemical formula: lead sulfide, calcium sulfate dot 2H2O, iron oxide, magnesium carbonate. Now he is asking, what is the name of oxide ore? Which metals is present in it? What is the name of oxide ore in which and which metal is present in it? Come on, student. What is the name of oxide ore? Oxide ore, you can see. Where is the oxide ore? Which metal is present in it? Yeah, Ananya, give only one by one answer, not all the answers. Send me the answers up to what you only first answer you say. Yes, Sanvi, oxide ore, beta. So you see, it's not an oxide ore. It's not an oxide ore. It's a carbonate ore. You see, this is metal. This is carbonate. I want to remove this magnesium from this ore. Okay, but he's selling oxide ore. Obviously, this is oxide, iron oxide. This is ore from which I'll take iron. So, what is the name of oxide ore? You should say magnetite. And which metal is present in it? You should say iron is present in it. Okay. So let me see. Ananya gave the answer. Very good, Ananya. Right answer. Magnetite ore and iron is present in it. Which ore is concentrated by Froth flotation process? Yes. Which ore is concentrated by Froth flotation process? Very good. Right answer, Ananya. Come on. Tanvi. Which ore is concentrated by Froth flotation process, beta? Froth flotation. So, which is nothing but to remove the unwanted things. So, something like we have discussed gang, unwanted things. From that, you need to remove the wanted material. For that, we are using Froth flotation process. What is Froth flotation process, Ananya? Give me in one line. What is Froth flotation process? What we do generally here? Yes, Ananya. What we do generally over there? Do you know or no? Don't know, Ananya.
So,
What is
sir, can
Froth
you hear?
flotation? Yeah, I can hear you. What is Froth flotation process?
Sir, the ore is dumped in a water oil solution.
Water and
Oil.
very good. Okay. So this particular lead sulfide, you see, generally sulfides will be taking Froth flotation process. You will dump this lead sulfide in water plus pine oil. Pine oil. What will happen, student? All the sulfides will be attached to the oil. All the other things, other to than the sulfide, whatever they will be attached to the water. By that way, you can enrich the particular ore. Okay. So which ore is presented concentrated Froth flotation? Lead sulfide. Lead sulfide. It's galena ore. You need to write galena ore. Okay. Yes. Next question. From which ore is the metal calcium extracted? From which ore is the metal calcium extracted? Right answer. Sure, sure. Yes, Sanvi. Where can you see calcium beta? Give that ore name. Calcium. Are you able to see calcium here, 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 here? Where are you able to see? And give that ore name. Chemistry, you need to work a lot, Sanvi. Yes, right answer. Gypsum. Okay. Gypsum. I'm able to see you're giving the answers of physics but not chemistry. Okay. Write the name of metal extracted from carbonate ore. Which metal is extracted from carbonate ore? What is the metal name? What is the metal name? Which metal is extracted from carbonate ore? You see, it's a sulfide ore. It's a sulfate ore. It's an oxide ore. It's a carbonate ore. So he's speaking about this ore. So which metal is able you can remove from this ore? Yes, right answer, Ananya. Come on, Sanvi. What are you? Which metal you are able to see? If you remove this carbonate, what is the metal left, beta? Okay, so it's nothing but it's magnesium, beta. Magnesium. Okay, yeah. Okay, magnesium. You need to write a magnesium. Huh? So when you are writing, you should not write Mg. You should write magnesium. He is asking the name of the metal, not the Greek representation of that metal. Yes. Mention the difference between myopia and hypermetropia. Okay, so yes, Ananya, you give me three difference, and Sanvi will give you exactly the other way. You see, student, whenever he's asking the difference, you need to make a table. Myopia here, hyperopia here. Hyperopia, hypermetropia, both are same. Hyperopia. Yes, Ananya, give me three things. As it is for 4 marks, give me three things about myopia. And Sanvi will give exactly the difference. Come on, Ananya, I'm not able to hear you. Unmute yourself. Give the differences between myopia. You only give the myopia, beta. What can you write about myopia?
In myopia, a person can see nearby objects.
Very good. See nearby. Okay. What else? Next, Ananya.
Object is formed in front of retina.
Okay. Object formed in front of retina. Retina. Very good point. Third point.
Can be corrected using concave lens.
Very good. Wonderful. Concave lens is used to correct it. Yeah. Yes, Sanvi. Myopia. You can see nearby. What about hyperopia?
We can see far object.
We can see far object. Wonderful. Okay, far object. So you can give the other names also, student. You can see nearby means you should say nearsightedness. You can see far object means far sightedness. You can increase one more point. Yes, in front of retina, beta, Sanvi. So here what will you write?
Beyond the retina.
Beyond retina. Right answer. Beyond retina. Concave lens.
Convex lens.
Convex lens. You see, whenever he's asking differences, try to write like this. You'll get full marks. Good. Yeah. So last question for the session. Buckminster fullerene and nanotubes. So select yourself and give me the answer. One. So the first person can select according to your choice. What are the uses of Buckminster fullerene and nanotubes? Yes, Ananya, you. Which one you want to answer? Buckminster fullerene or nanotubes?
Buckminster fullerene.
Yeah, go ahead. What are the uses with a Buckminster fullerene?
Sir, in chat or just like
No,
this?
you can just speak out.
Sir, it can be used as lubricants in ball.
Lubricant on?
Lubricants in ball bearings.
Is it Buckminster fullerene lubricant? I think we have used graphite as a lubricant. We have read about diamond and graphite. In graphite, I still remember you can use as a lubricant. No, Buckminster fullerene is not lubricant, beta.
Can it be used as antioxidants?
Antacids. You see, first of all, you can use it as a medicine, but it doesn't.
Antioxidants, sir, not acids.
Antioxidant. Maybe you are right. Okay, but you see, Buckminster fullerene C60 we call it, right? C60. It is fully covered with the carbon. So in the middle you can keep the medicine and just consume it. Okay. Why, sir? What will happen? Why? Because this particular carbon, this particular thing will go to that particular part of your body, and then this particular medicine will be coming out of that particular body. So you can just say about the medicines. Buckminster fullerene, you can use it in medicines. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Medicines I'm writing Buckminster fullerene. Anything else? Yes, Sanvi? Nanotubes, beta. Nanotubes.
They are used in space and aircrafts.
Yes. Why? Why, Sanvi? Your answer is right. Why? You see, student, by the name only nanotubes. Very, very small tubes, but they are very, very hard. Why? They are made up of carbon. So carbon diamond is very hard. Okay. So you need to say, sir, nanotubes are very small but strong. And in space, what we require is whenever something is going to the space, you need strongness but very less weight. If it is weight, if it is bulky, then it can't go up, it can't reach up to the space, right? With a little energy. So it should be strong. And if at all it is very weak, so it will just get burned with the particular solar energy. Okay, so you need to be strong also, less weight also. So that's the reason nanotubes are used in aerospaces. Okay, and whatever your rackets, you see, we want to hit that particular cock very hard. So that means racket should be strong. But if it is very heavy, you can't lift your arm. So in rackets, in sports equipment also you are using nanotubes. Nanotubes is used in sports equipment, aerospace, as well as in electronics also. In electronics also. Buckminster Fuller's one thing is medicine, and let me see what is that one. Yes, medicine, drug delivery, antioxidants. Yeah, this is what. Lubricants is also given, student. Okay, I need to check it. Lubricants is also given. Okay. Yeah, medicine, antioxidants, I'm sure about it, but lubricants, I don't know. I'll check it. But you can take it considered. Yeah, carbon nanotubes, electronics, sports equipment, aerospace, water purification also you can say. Super filter. For super filter, this particular thing is given. Okay. Very good, student. Okay, so that's the section number 2 and part B we have finished. Tomorrow we'll be taking section number 3. You see, there are some important questions which I need to take. VB theory, molar mass, okay, experiment of V and I. I'll just check it. Okay, I'll just check it and let you know, student. Okay, so I'll be sending some important topics. I'll be sending some important topics. Try to check. I'm sure that you have done most of them. Try to check if anything is missing. Try to read that particular topic also. Okay. Yeah, thank you, students. That's all from us. Any doubts, you can ask me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.